Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Notion has recently unveiled its most significant update yet, Notion AI. This groundbreaking feature integrates artificial intelligence directly into the Notion workspace, offering a suite of powerful tools to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. Whether you're crafting compelling content, brainstorming innovative ideas, or simply organizing your thoughts, Notion AI promises to be an invaluable asset. Let's delve deeper into what this powerful new feature has to offer. Notion AI isn't just a single tool, it's a collection of AI-powered functionality seamlessly integrated into the familiar Notion interface. Need help summarizing a lengthy document? Notion AI can condense it into key takeaways in seconds. Struggling with writer's block? The AI can generate initial drafts, translate text, improve your writing, or even help you brainstorm blog post ideas. From summarizing meeting notes and translating languages to generating action items and creating outlines, Notion AI empowers users to work smarter, not harder. Imagine effortlessly transforming a dense research paper into a concise summary, or instantly translating a document into another language. Picture overcoming writer's block with AI-generated writing prompts or effortlessly producing various content formats, from blog posts to poems, within seconds. This is the power of Notion AI. It's designed to augment your capabilities, allowing you to focus on the strategic aspects of your work while the AI handles the more tedious and time-consuming tasks. Beyond content creation, Notion AI proves its worth in other areas as well. It can assist with tasks like generating meeting agendas, creating comprehensive project plans, and even simplifying complex information into easily digestible summaries. The possibilities are vast and constantly expanding as Notion continues to refine and develop its AI capabilities. This powerful integration has the potential to revolutionize how we work with Notion. By leveraging the power of AI, users can unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity, freeing up valuable time and mental energy to focus on what truly matters. Explore the potential of Notion AI and experience the future of productivity. It's more than just a helpful tool, it's a game changer. Try it out and see how it can transform your workflow within Notion.